to moral education. Our value of the month of June is courage. You should be brave and be able to face your fears on a daily basis. So let us try to do that in the month of June. Our lesson title is Intangible Heritage Around the World. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to define intangible heritage all around the world. Now let us look at our key vocabulary. Number 1, origami. Number 2, washi. These words sound strange, doesn't it? That's because they have come from Japan. Let's repeat the words. Origami, washi. Now, origami is a Japanese art and skills of folding a paper to make different items. So as you can see in the picture over here, these little birds are Japanese art called origami. And most of the time they use a paper which is called washi. These papers are made in Japan. Now let us revise what are the types of intangible heritage. We get oral traditions, performing arts, festive events, and knowledge and skills to produce traditional crafts. So these are just 4 of the types of intangible heritage. Now we are going to focus on intangible heritage around the world. Our first focus is Japan. In Japan, there is something called the Nonaki theater. As you can see, it is spelled differently from the way it is pronounced. So let us say it together slowly. Nonaki. Nonaki theater is a theater where they use masks, costumes, and various different props in a dance-based performance. So as you can see in the picture over here, the man has a mask on and they are doing a dance. This is very well known in Japan. Washi is the paper that they use to make the origami, and this is made in Japan. It is handmade paper. Therefore, it's an intangible heritage because it is a skill that is part of Japan. I am going to show you a short little video and you can try and make origami on your own. It is a 2-minute video and it is a really slow step-by-step video. So you can get your piece of papers and start. Let's begin. You are first going to fold your paper just the way they are doing it in the video. Before we carry on, the shape we have here looks like a triangle. So you saw they first folded the one side of the paper, then the other side, and now they're folding the tip just like a triangle. Open your paper and put the triangle on the inside of the paper, just like this. Fold your corners and your other corner to make a little square. Now fold it in half and make a triangle. Make a smaller triangle on the inside. Now Open your triangle and place it in the little block that is here. You can pause the video as you are going along to help you create your own little origami. Now, as you can see, we have a little petal like this. You can begin the video again and make another 4 more petals. Once you have your 4 petals, you can put glue on the petal and stick them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you have a 5th one, you can stick it just like this. Put some more glue on the end, just like this, and now open it up to form a little flower. As you can see, you have an origami flower. You can do this if you would like to make your own Japanese art. Now we're going to look at intangible heritage around the world. Can you guess where this intangible heritage comes from? Amazing! This is a dance performance that takes place in India. Now this is challenging. This is also a dance performance, but this is done in a silent circle, and it's part of the Croatian heritage. And lastly, speaking languages in countries can also be part of their heritage. As you can see, in South Africa, they have 11 national languages, which people of the country speak. Therefore, this is part of their heritage. Do you know the intangible heritage of your country? If you would like to research this, you go ahead and research it, and you can tell your teacher all about the intangible heritage of your country. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you next week, inshallah, for the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.